Good morning, everyone. So today we have some errands that I need to run with my mom, pick up a few things for Adam, and then I think Sam, Katilyn, and I are going to hang out. I don't know, and I don't know what we're going to do. Katilyn wants to go to like a river place and go for a walk. I really don't feel like doing that. I just kind of want to chill, so we'll see. But yeah, today's going better than the last few days, so that's a good thing. But I need to get ready because I think my mom is ready to go run some errands. So I will see you guys on the flip side. You ready? Zoe!
Through Libya and Tunisia, and in this country, particularly Libya, the collapse of the central government is making it increasingly easier and a major cause of concern for European officials, worried that
Ready?
fighters may try to enter.
Oh, now she stops.
Also, one more important thing.
She was freaking out a second ago.
ISIS is expanding its footprint across the region.
Zoe!
You see where ISIS has some presence now. It's different.
Do you want your mouse?
In some countries like Egypt and Libya, they are operational, and as we saw in that video, ISIS is claiming its affiliates in those two countries.
Get your mouse.
Places like Algeria, maybe elsewhere like Saudi Arabia, Yemen, Jordan, and even Afghanistan, ISIS has a presence, but it's considered much more to be sympathetic support, not an operational, organizational level. But this is the challenge that the U.S. and its allies have, trying to defeat ISIS on an ideological front.
Here we go.
Oh no, you drop it!
These countries like before, and this has been for a long time. Egypt is a very significant country. It's the largest Arab country. It's also one of the strongest in terms of its support for the U.S. and its allies in the region. It has a very strong military backed by the United States. It is one of the most powerful military countries in the region, and as a result, its military involvement is significant now that it is joining the fight. It has been a supporter of this coalition, but now it is operationally involved in airstrikes in Libya, not yet in Syria.
Get it, Zoe.
And this expanding role does put the U.S. relationship under new scrutiny. Of course, we know that
Now to see the other two kitties. The old ones. Hi, pair. Wanna lick? Do you see mommy playing with Zoe? Oh, you're such a cute little girl. I know, I probably smell like Zoe. I know. And then Neo is under here. Hi, Bud. How's the knee doing? Were you sleeping? Ugh. What are you doing? Huh? Are you doing okay? The bag makes you look green. Okay, and Sam is coming over and we're going to go hang out. I think we're going to go to her place and play some Wii games, and then we're trying to see if Katilyn's going to come later because we can't get a hold of her right now. So that's what's going to happen. I think we're going to go play some Wii games.
like I said, I don't think it's adjusted right. I don't know how to move that thing.
Holy sweet mother of Jesus. 6.
It's your only hope.
Because like I said, she should stay.
I can see that.
She should stay on the seat, but
She's coming off the
it's
seat.
not adjusted right. That's why it's so hard right now.
That guy was a general?
Is that 7?
Yeah. No, 8. 9.
Dedicated to the preparation and
10.
I promise it wouldn't normally be that hard. It's because it's not adjusted.
It shouldn't feel like I feel like I'm working my arm.
Okay, so we're playing our second game of trains, and I just want to say I won the first game.
I thought this was Domino's.
It
It's
is.
not. It is.
But it's called Mexican Train, this specific game. Because you can play a lot of different games with dominoes.
Caitlin doesn't like that sound.
If I ever have a son that makes that sound with his damn toys, he's gonna get.
Just don't get any toys that have that sound, and whoever gets it.
Well,
Allison's gonna get him a toy that does that.
no,
I gotta start with black.
yes. Game 3. I just want to let you know I won game 2 as well. And Sam's signing. All right, it's my turn. Here's what we are working with. All right, let's take who's gonna win. Caitlin, I think Caitlin's gonna win this time. Excuse, I really do.
Something out there.
Thanks, Caitlin.
That's what I think.
You're making her job very difficult.
We just played our last game. Caitlin,
What happened?
hold on, it's blurry. Doesn't like you. Okay, Caitlin, what happened?
That was really close to my face.
I can't, here.
I won.
High five the
Stop.
gently.
Gently high five the camera. Yeah. Don't. So now we may go play pool in that sacred room.
Caitlin does not stop until she wins.
That's how I normally play.
Yeah, we're all very competitive people. Okay, so we are home from Sam, but guess what? It is like 6 o'clock. I still have not uploaded the vlog, so I'm gonna go do that. I have to do that. But yeah, so that is what I'm gonna go do. It was fun hanging out with Katilyn and Sam today. Look at Zoe. Okay, everybody, it is time to edit, which means it's time to end the vlog. Today was a really fun day hanging out with Sam and Katilyn. Don't mind some of the stuff Katilyn says. I don't know. She's crazy. And we've all known each other since we were in 4th grade. So we've known each other way too long, and we're just freely open with each other. So, yeah. Yeah, she flicked the camera off. It was at me, not at the internet or whatever. You know what? I'm gonna leave it in. I don't care. It's what happened in the day. So, if it offends anybody, I'm very sorry. It's not meant to be offensive in any way, shape, or form. We are very competitive, and she was being very competitive. But it was a really great day. Didn't cry at all over Gigi. I still miss her like crazy. I can talk about her now and not get emotional. But I still miss that little girl. She will always be a part of our family. So, but again, I haven't said it yet. I want to thank you all so much for watching. I truly do appreciate it. Tomorrow should be a fun day. Mom and I are just going to hang out and play some games. That Mexican train game that we were playing, I have my own set. Because when my Aunt Paula came down like 5 or 6 years ago, she brought hers and we played it, and Sam and I had so much fun playing with it before my aunt left. She bought me the one that I have, so Mom and I are going to play that tomorrow, so that should be fun. But hopefully you all had a great morning, evening, noon, night. Whenever you're watching this, hopefully you all have lovely, beautiful smiles on your faces. Again, thank you all so much for watching. If you're new, please subscribe. I make daily vlogs and tag videos and other videos, and I actually was so late posting the vlog today. I don't think I got it uploaded till like 6 something. Whoopsie. But yeah, I will see you all tomorrow. Again, thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you then. Good night. Bye.